Morning students, myself Bina Tripathi. Welcome to your online class. Students, today I am going to explain you in Geography chapter 6 Natural Reason. See students, previous chapter 5 we have learned the winds. See students, can you tell? So there are different types of columns are there. First column of housing, second one is clothing, third one is flora and fauna, and fourth one is food. So see students, tick the boxes in the picture using the index given on page 31. So see that here index is given. Okay, so see that on that which you have the experience. That means I use experience, that you make the right tick mark, and you have seen in your surrounding, that you make the star mark, and which one you don't know about it, that you make the wrong. Okay students, so you have to observe this about housing. There are so many houses are there students. So reason wise different types of houses are built. Can you see that? So first one is, you can see the houses was built in the forest areas. Okay, see that multi-story buildings are there, igloo, so many houses are there. Okay, so it was built different place, different reason. Okay, different types of houses are built students. So what I told you, so which you have the experience, that you make the right mark, which one you have seen in your surrounding, that you make the star mark, and which you don't know about it, you never seen that you make the wrong. Okay students, second one is clothing. So same way students, clothing also different place. Okay, yes, can you see that? See the different types of clothes they wear that in different reasons. Okay students, some place somebody was wearing the sari, some place they are wearing the burqas, nakab. So see that, can you see that? And tribal peoples how they are wearing that. So this way different place, different types of different reasons, different types of clothes are there. Okay, so somebody also wearing the Nawari sari. So these are different types of clothes are there. So same process are there. Which one you have the seen, that means seen, you make star mark. Which you have never seen that, or you don't know about it, that you make the wrong marks, and which you have the experience, that you make the right mark. Okay students, third column is flora and fauna. Flora means flower and fauna means animals. So see that in first column it is, can you see that coconut tree? Okay, see that camels. So different types of animals also there. And see students, different place, different reason, different types of animals are found here. See the polar bear. Okay, so it was found in the cold region. Can you see that? So these were different reason, different types of animals are found. So you have to make the same process, tick mark. Okay, and the last one is food. You know students, so food also different food also not same. Okay, so Indian foods are different place, different types of foods are there. Can you see that? Okay, see all these are the foods are there. Okay, pizza, burger, all the different types of foods are there. Can you see that? Dry fruits also there. So many foods are there. Okay, and see students, different place, different types, or different reason, different types of foods are there. Okay, normally we are that means eating the dal, chawal, roti, sabji, all these things, but different place, different types of foods are there. Okay students, so see there are varieties are there. Okay, different types of foods are there. So same way students, which you are eating that, or you have experience, that you make right marks, and that you have seen that star mark, and which you don't know about it, so that you make the wrong mark. So this is totally observation based students. Okay, so this is totally observation based. Now see students, on the basis of the selection you have done and the questions given below, arrange a discussion in the class. So first question, see students, why are all the house types shown in the picture not seen in our surrounding? So see students, in the first picture you can see so many different types of houses are there. So what do you think that Why it was not shown in, that means seen in your surrounding, students? Yes. So see, because house types different in different place, so it was different from different place, okay, place to place. And see, students, houses are built, that means taking into consideration rainfall, what types of rainfalls are there, what types of temperature are there, okay, and raw materials available for building houses, all these are very very important. And that's why, students, we can say that all the houses types shown in the picture are not seen our surrounding, okay. Next one is, which are the reason where such types of houses are found, students? So students, in cities, what types of houses have we find that? We find buildings and bungalows which was built of concrete materials, okay, students. And see, students, this is, can you see that? So this is what an igloo is found in the tundra or taiga region, students. And huts are found in grassland or forested areas, okay, students. Next one is third one, would you like to stay, okay, in a house built of ice? What do you think that? Yes. So see, students, and why don't we build such houses? So see, students, yes, I would like to stay in a nice house, but we can't build it here because, students, the temperature is high, which will melt the ice, and we don't have snowfall in Maharashtra. Yes, and that's why we can't build such houses, okay, student, because temperature is high here, okay, and because the temperature is high, which will melt the ice, and we don't have snowfall where in Maharashtra, okay. Fourth one is, what bring about difference in people's clothing? So now I told the student different place, different types of clothing are there, okay. So see, students, so clothing was depends upon the climate of the place, okay. And second things are that it depends on the culture and tradition also, okay. So that is also very very important. Yes, students, and different types of textile industries that are set up a particular region, okay. Afterwards, next one is, that means the fifth one, where do you think cups insects, that means cubes, insect and ant also form a part of the diet of the people? So see, students, you all know that that means human beings eat whatever is edible and does not harm their digestive system. So that types of food we are eating, that means human beings are eating, okay, students. And see, students, that cubes, insects and ant, okay. So say, students, they consume mainly by tribal peoples, okay, okay, students, or people living in underdeveloped countries, so we can say about. But today, students, it is consumed by people for protein or for traditions, okay, students. Now last one is, can the animal from polar region like polar bear and penguins be kept in tropical zoo? What do you think, students? No. Your answer will be no. Why, students? Because polar bear and penguins survive only in colder region, so they cannot be bear the, that means they cannot bear the tropical heat and may die, okay, students, they will die. And last one is, are all the plants shown in the picture, yes, found in our surrounding? If not, where do you think they can be found? So say, students, there are so many, that means some plants are found in the coastal areas, yes, some are found in the equatorial regions. So see the picture, it divided that some are found in the coastal areas, yes, some are found in the equatorial region, second picture, and third one is some are found in the desert regions. So it will depends in different place, okay, students, it will found different place. So all, that means all the plants are not found in our surrounding, okay. Yes, students, so these are differences are there, students. There exist a large number of different things in the world than those we see in our surrounding. So see students, we see different educational and informative TV programs about wildlife. Okay. So see students, in TV there are so many channels are there. So where we can see different educational and informative TV programs, okay, about wild animals. We become curious to know more about this wild animal. That means we become very curious to know more about this wildlife. So why is this wildlife not seen in our areas, students? So why are they not similar to the wildlife found in our areas? What causes this difference? So let us try to find the reasons behind all this. Okay students, see students, geographical explanation. There are differences in terms of landforms, climate, soil, etc. okay, in different part of the world. So it is not same. So different place, different types of landforms are there, climate are there, soil are there, okay. So in different part of the world. So because of these differences, students, is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. Okay. And why it was happened, students? This difference is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. So we never say that, or we didn't say that means same place, same types of that means sunlight and water is there. No, it was different. So different place due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. The availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. So you all know that in equator place sunlight pass in the perpendicular direction, okay. So because of that equator place there was so much heat was there, temperature is high. But in polar region the sun rays was not passing the perpendicular straight line and polar place, that means there is not very high temperature, but there was a cold temperature there. So these are differences are there, students. So it was changing from equator to the poles, it was not same. So you have studied this in the previous standard, okay. Difference in landforms, climate and soil greatly influence the flora, fauna and human life also, students. So because of that different types of flowers are growing. Fauna means different types of animals also found. That means the cold region different types of animals are there, in hot region different types of animals are there. So it will be not same. And same way flora means flower also. Okay. And even though students human life and give rise to variation in the biodiversity in different part of the world. So all these are the reasons are there, students. Because of all these are differences are there, that's why it gives rise to variation in the biodiversity in different part of the world. Okay students. On the other hand, students, there are similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life is different continent that is spread between certain latitudes. Okay, these similarities stand out as a distinctive features of these regions. As these regions stand out on the basis of natural factors, they are called natural region. So see students, that means we can say that there are similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents, okay, and it will spread between certain latitudes. So see students, these similarities stand out as a distinctive features of this region, and as this region stand out on the basis of natural factor, and that's why we can say it is called a natural region. So that is our chapter. Okay, so we are learned about natural region. Okay students, the natural environment of such a region affect the living world including human beings, and this way students, the natural environment of such a region, it will affect the living world including human, even though human beings also. The entire land area on the earth can be divided into this natural region. So let us try to understand their distributions with the help of maps and tables given in this lesson. So see students, next page we are going to learn about that, how it was divided with the help of the map and tables given in this lesson. Okay students, and this way the entire land area on the earth can be divided into these natural regions. Okay students, see students, in tundra region, see this picture, okay, their location extends that is between 65° to 90° parallel, okay, topmost, and it was 10, that is Greenland, North Canada, North Europe, North Asia place. And see students, in this place the climate is mean summer temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, okay students, and winter temperature approximately it will be minus 20 to minus 30 degrees Celsius. And see students, mean annual rainfall is 25 to 300 millimeter, and this place there was a very cold climate, okay students. Yes, afterwards in this place natural vegetation. So see students, if the climate is cold, so that place that means natural vegetation is very rare case or very less. So whatever the natural vegetations are there, that is short-lived vegetable life, okay, their life is very short. And next point is short grass are there, short small shrubs are there, flower, lichens, moss, okay. So all these are found here. And say animal life. So which types of animals are found here in this very cold climate? That is caribou, reindeer, etc. Polar bear are found here students, fox, walrus and seal. And animals with soft thick fur, their fur, that means their fur is very thick and with soft. Okay students, animals with soft thick fur found here. As is human life. In this place what types of occupation they are doing? That is hunting and fisheries. Okay. Afterwards hide tent, igloo, tupic houses. Okay, and they also use that of sledge. See the picture shown here. Use of sledge, Eskimos people, tough life. And in this place students population distribution is highly sparse. Okay, so all these are the which place are found student, that is tundra region. Okay, so next one is taiga region. So see, so they are approximately between 55 degree and 65 degree north parallel, topmost part, from Alaska to Atlantic coast, part of Eurasia. Okay, in this place climate is, see students, summer temperature is 15 degree to 20 degrees Celsius, winter temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, and in this place mean annual rainfall between 300 to 500 millimeter. And see students, rainfall in summer, snowfall in winter. That means summer season there will be rainfall will be there, and winter season there will be snowfall will be there. Okay, and in this place, that means taiga region, their natural vegetation is coniferous forests are there, and leaves are narrow pointed, branches leaning towards the ground. Okay, so what are the leaves are there? Narrow and it will be pointed, and branches leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and soft. What are the woods are found here? It is very light and soft. Example, spruce, fir, pine, redwood, etc. And see students, animal life. See the animals also shown in the picture have soft and thick fur. Okay, and which of the animals are there? It is caribous, elks, ermine, beavers, silver fox, minks, bear, etc. And human life is, population is less here, and the occupation is lumbering and hunting are major occupation. And some peoples are also doing that, that means agriculture work. That is few agrarian activity also done here. Agrarian means agriculture activity. They are doing the farming. Okay, there are farmers also doing their work. Yes. So this video is totally different students. In taiga region also there are different types of locations are there, different types of climates are there, different types of natural vegetations are there, animal life and human life are not same. Okay, so I want to say that different place, different types of climates are there. Okay, next one is grasslands, steppes and prairies. So see students, it was location extended between 30 degree and 55 degree north and south parallel. Okay, in the interior part of the continent. So see students, see that steppes, that is Eurasia, Wales, South Africa, Pampas, South America, prairies, North America, Downs, Australia. So these are the places are there. Okay, and see that climate, summer temperature around 27 degrees Celsius, Winter temperature here is below 0 degree Celsius, okay? And here mean annual rainfall is 400 to 600 millimeter. And say students, rainfall mostly during summer season, okay? And here see that natural vegetation, extensive grass ranches are seen here. Short grasses growing in lumps areas, and grass get dried up in winter season, okay? And elder poplar trees are found here. So these trees are found here. Where? In grassland, steppes and prairies, okay? Region. And see the animal life, students. You can see the picture also animal that it is slightly shown here. Kangaroo, see the picture kangaroo, okay? Wildlife includes deer, horses, dog, wolves, bison, rabbit, hares, kangaroos, dingoes are found here, okay, etc. And सिस्टम they also domesticate animals. बताओ पालते भी एनिमल्स, जो एनिमल को पाला जाता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स. Like sheep, goat, cattle, horse, donkey are also found, okay students. And see that human life, rearing animals is the main occupation. That means animal husbandry was the main occupation, students. Earlier people had a nomadic life, so lived in high tent, that is yurts. And see students, Kyrgyz people are no more nomadic, now stay in well built houses, okay students. So this way, and they grow wheat crops. What they are growing, students? They are growing the wheat crops, okay students. Afterwards see that hot desert regions. So it is location extent that is between 20 degree and 30 degree north and south parallel, students, in your map, world map. And in the western part of continent Sahara, that is North America, Colorado North America, Atacama South America, Kalahari South Africa, Thar Asia, etc. So all these are the desert places are there, desert regions are there, students, hot desert regions, okay. And climate is mean summer temperature is 30 degree to 45 degree Celsius, and mean winter temperature is 20 degree to 25 degree Celsius, students. And in this place there was a tremendous heat and very low rainfall, because rainfall is very less, and because of that in this place heat was more. And students, but night time are very cold also, so temperature was changed. In daytime it was very heat, okay, and night time it was very cold. And in this place, why it was heat, students? Because there was a very low rainfall, okay. And natural vegetations are there. See, which place rainfall is less, that place thorny bushes and with hardly any leaves are found. That means trees are found, but they are not very high, they are very small. And normally that means thorny bushes with hardly any leaves. Leaves are narrow, oily, have thick bark. Once moisture in soil is consumed, plants die, okay students. And what types of animals, that means what types of, that means vegetations are found here, or tree and plants are found, students. Examples: cactus, sisal, palm, date palm, etc. are found here, because in this place very less rainfalls are there, okay students. So कैसे मतलब कटीले पेड़ ज़्यादातर दिखते हैं यहाँ पे, छोटे छोटे small, okay. ऐसे students, once moisture in soil is consumed, then what happen, that plants will be die, okay. Animal life, camels survive for a day without water. So students, camels can survive for a days without drinking the water, but other animals, they can't live without water, okay students. So see the picture, you can see the camel picture shown here, okay. Number of animals living on the ground is less. Daytime live inside the ground. So daytime they are living inside the ground. For example, snakes. You all know that snakes are living here inside the grounds. Rats, lizard, scorpion, etc. Okay. Domesticated animals, like what they are domesticated, students? Horse, donkey, sheep, oxen, etc. So these animals, they are domesticated, okay. And in this place human life is, students, Bedouins, that is Sahara, Busmans, Kalahari, Okay, Aborigines Australia, all these places are peoples are found different place. In Sahara there was a Bedouins. In Kalahari Bushmen are there. In Australia Aborigines are there. Okay, so most of the needs get fulfilled through animals, and agriculture is confined into river, valley and oasis place. Okay students, afterwards see that grassland sudden type. So that is between location extends between 5 degree to 20 degree north and south parallel in both the hemispheres students. With savanna, Africa place, Queensland, Australia, the parklands, Africa, Llanos and Campos, South America and other grasslands. And in this place, climate is summer temperature around 35 degrees Celsius students, winter temperature around 24 degrees Celsius, and rainfall is happening here around 250 to 1000 millimeter. And hot and humid summer, warm and dry winter. Okay students, summer is hot and humid and winter is warm and dry. In this place, natural vegetation are found here. Tall and thick grass are there. But trees are very tall and thick. Grass are found here. Okay. Height of grass around 6 meters. Student, that is elephant grass. So in this place, tall and thick grass are found, students, and height of grass around 6 meter. That is, we can say the elephant grass. And trees are rare and have umbrella like canopy. And see students, trees are found very rare and have umbrella like canopy. Okay students, that means in this place grass are found very large scale, and the grass are tall and thick, and the height of grass is around 6 meter. If elephant will enter, you can't see the elephant, so the height of the grass is very high, that is 6 meter. Okay, so that's why we can say the elephant grass. And see that here animals are found here. Large number of herbivorous and carnivorous animals are found here. Okay, so herbivorous means which animals are eating that leafy vegetable, that means grass and all that. And carnivorous means you can say know about that, so which are eating the other animals, carnivorous. Okay, so this way both animals are found here, large number, herbivorous also as well as carnivorous also. Nature has gifted them with speedy legs. So what are the animals are there? They are very speedy. They can run very fast. Skin of the animals has colorful spot and strips bands. See the picture. Examples: lion, cheetah, hyenas, wolf, zebra, giraffe, elephant, rhino, wild ox, buffalo, kangaroo, emu, etc. So all these different types of animals are found, students, here. Okay, and you can also see that. Okay, and these animals, skin of the animals has colorful spot and strips band. Okay, now see the human life. Houses are simple with mud wall and thatched roof. Okay, and without window was not there. Short in height and dome shaped huts called kraals are found here, and they are built, that people are built here, and their hunting and rearing are the main occupation. Okay, examples: main tribes include Zulu, Hausa and Maasai peoples are here. So all these are tribal peoples are these, students. Okay, and see that afterwards equatorial region, see in the map, and a dark black color shown here, equatorial region, which place it was there. Location and extends between 5 degree north and 5 degrees south of the equator place, students. That is Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Guinea, Congo Basin, Amazon Basin. Okay, and see students, climate summer temperature around 30 degrees Celsius, annual rainfall between 2500 and 3000 millimeter. Okay, that was rainfalls are here. In this place, high heat and rainfall throughout years are there, students. Because of hot and humid climate in this place, vegetable matter decomposes leading to diseases. Okay students, and see students here, natural vegetation in this place, dense evergreen forest are there. ओके, मतलब घने जंगल है, बहुत सारे पेड़ यहाँ पे दिखेगा आपको, हरा भरा, चारों तरफ हरा भरा रहेगा. देखो यहाँ पे डेंस एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, यू कैन सी द ट्री आल्सो. Variety of trees and buses are found here. Swampy land. Tall hard wooded trees are there. Trees are very tall and they are very hard wooded trees are found here. Example, mahogany, green heart, rosewood, ebony, etc. found, student. Okay. And see, student, here animal life, a great variety of animals are found here. In marshy lands there was a crocodiles, anaconda and hippopotamus are found here, etc. And animals, birds living on trees. Example, chimpanzee, gorilla, hornbills, etc. Okay. And see, students, poisonous insects such as the TC flies are found here. Okay. And the last one is human life. Human settlements are few. Human life is dependent on nature. Okay, students. That means human settlements are very less, very few, and their lives is totally dependent on nature. Population is mostly tribals. Who are living here? Adivasi people are living here. That means tribals. Houses are built on the tree, and houses where they are built is student on the tree. Tribes like Pajimis, Africa, Boro, Indians, and Semangs, etc. are found here. Okay, students. So all these are the reasons. Different reasons are there. Different types of climates are found here. Different types of location, extents, climate, natural vegetation. See that animal life and human lives are found here. Okay. So it was not same. Different place, different types are there. Okay, students. The natural regions given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extent, students, between the equator and the poles. Okay. Availability of water and temperature found there determine the location extents of this region. So see, student, beside the reason mentioned above, there are some more reasons which stand out due to local conditions. Okay. So they are the monsoon, the Mediterranean, and the West European regions. Okay. So see, students, that means we can say that there are more reasons which stands out due to the local conditions. Which are they, students? They are the monsoon regions, the Mediterranean regions, and the West European regions. Okay. So while the monsoon and the West European regions stand out because of specific winds blowing there, okay, students, the Mediterranean regions is known as for its rainfall in winter. These are described in the table below. See the picture. Okay, first one we'll learn about monsoon regions. So see, students, their location and areas. So it is located in north and south of the equator between 10 degree to 30 degree north and south parallel. Okay, students. And the areas are Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa, okay, America, etc. Okay, students. So all these are there. Areas are there. Climate is, students, summer temperature between 27 degree and 32 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature is 15 degree to 24 degrees Celsius. And see, students, rainfall is 250 to 2500 millimeter. Okay. And say, students, area get rain in specific season from southwest monsoon. Okay. And here rainfall is highly variable in distributions of quite uneven. So that is also totally uneven. Uneven means unequal. And say, students, in this place, in the monsoon region, natural vegetation in this place, semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are found here. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. That means what types of rainfalls are there? That types of vegetation are grow here. That means heavy rainfall, different types of trees are found here. Less, different types of trees are found are here, plants. So example, banyan, peepal, teak, sal, sisam, sandalwood. Okay, cinchona, bamboo, acacia, shrubs, grasses. So different types of trees are found here. Okay, so depends on rainfall. Animal life, wild animals such as tigers, lions, leopards, cheetah, elephant, wolves, boars, monkey, snake, peacock, cuckoos, etc. found here. So all these are wild animals are the students. And they also domesticate animals like cattle, goat, horses. And human life, see, students, human life here in monsoon regions, large number of small hamlets. Okay. And considerable difference in diet and costumes. Their diet also different and their costumes are different. And population mostly involved in primary occupations. So here people are doing the primary occupation, means agriculture and all that. and the main occupation is agriculture. See, primary occupation means which occupation depends on nature. So that is we can say the primary occupation. So in this place, in the monsoon regions, population is mostly involved in primary occupation. And say students, in this place their main occupation is agriculture. So what we will learn? We will learn about the monsoon region. Okay students. Next one is Mediterranean region. So location and areas are students extend between 30° and 40°. Okay, parallel in both the hemisphere, the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, on the western side of the continent. Okay, so that is Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, Central Chile, Southwest and Northeast Australia, etc. Climate here students, dry summer and rainfall in winter. Okay, so summer there will be dry and rainfall in which winter place, winter type season we can say that. So mean summer temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius students, and winter temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. And see students, here mean annual rainfall is 500 to 1000 millimeter. Okay, and in winter season there was a rain, that means it rain in winter season. Now we will learn about the natural vegetation in Mediterranean region. So there were thick, small and olive leaves are found here students. Thick bark, example olive, oak, chestnuts, all these are, that means these types of vegetation are found here. Grass in low rainfall region. So which place rainfall is less, that place grass are growing. Okay, and in the mountainous places students, coniferous forests are found here. Okay, where in the mountainous region. Now see that animal life. What types of animal life are found in the Mediterranean region? That is, due to animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large numbers students, because people are doing the animal husbandry as an occupation. Okay, so what they are domesticated students? That is goats, sheep, cow, mules, horses, etc. So these types of animals they are domesticated. And see, so human life. See that seat of Greek and Roman civilizations, main occupation is here also agriculture. Okay, and these people are mostly fruit and flower cultivation. They are doing that way they are growing the fruits and flower. And see students, wheat and wheat product form the staple diets here. So wheat also they are producing in this place very large scale, and wheat product form the staple diets here. And colorful costumes are there students. Okay, their costumes is very colorful. Okay, so all this we have learned about Mediterranean region. Okay, and afterwards see that West European region. So see students, West European regions, their location area. So it was located in the western part of the continent between 25° and 65° north and south parallel students. So that is Norway, Denmark, Ireland, British Columbia, South Chile, New Zealand, etc. So climate here means summer temperature around 20 degrees Celsius students, and mean winter temperature around 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and see students, mean rainfall between 500 to 2500 millimeter. Okay, and rainfall mostly in the form of cyclone associated with westerlies. Okay students, here rainfall in the form of cyclone. Okay, and see students, it rains throughout the year and climate is mild. Now see the what types of trees are found here. So green grasses all the years round. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Okay, in winter season trees shed their leaves. Coniferous trees and short grasses, the example oak, beech, maple, elm, pine, spruce, poplar, all these are the different types of coniferous trees and short grasses are found here students. In this place, Western European region, what types of animal lives are students? See students, because of the animal husbandry, domesticated animals in large number. Okay, here also people are doing the animal husbandry as an occupation students. Wild animals include wolves, fox, bears are found here. Okay, where in the West European region. And see students, last one is human life. See students, in this place different types, so many industries and factories are there. Because of industries and enthusiastic peoples have been mainly sailor and explorer. Okay, so here people are found who are the sailor and explorer, who are coming from different countries for sailing purpose. Okay, so have been mainly sailor and explorer. explorer, okay, use woolen clothing. What they are using? That woolen clothing, students, and have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary sectors. And they are achieved a progress, they make the development in secondary occupation and tertiary sector. Okay, okay students. Yes. So what we have learned? We have learned the Western European region. So this way we have learned the three regions. First one is monsoon regions, second one is Mediterranean region, and third one is West European region. Okay students. Now see that students, beside the 9 regions given in the tables, there are certain other distinctive regions which stand out because of their specific continental location, students. For example, the China type regions, St. Lawrence region, etc. See the extent of this region in figure 6.1. So how much region we have learned, students? We have learned the 9 regions. Okay students, with the help of the tables. Okay students. Make friends with maps. See students, world natural regions, okay, and see that with the help of the index, see that different colors shown here, index, okay, equatorial region, grassland in the torrid zone, savanna, monsoon region, hot desert regions, Mediterranean regions, subtropical regions with humid climate, that is China type, we can say that, continental region with humid climate, temperate grassland, steppes and St. Lawrence, continental dry climate region, West European type climate region, taiga, tundra, mountainous, ice cap, ice sheet. So see, different types of colors are shown here in different region. Okay. So with the help of this color, we can find out which place, which types of regions are found. Okay, students. This is your figure 6.1, natural region of the world. Okay, students. So see, students, see that Australia, different continents are there, Europe, Asia, Africa. Can you see that? South America, North America. Okay. So which continent, which types of regions are found here? With the help of the index, you can find out. Okay. Yes. So just example, go through that. See the North America. Yes. So North America, see that with the help of the index, we can see that there was a temperate grassland, Stephens Land, St. Lawrence. Okay. Yes. And for example, see the South America, student, there was the equatorial region. So how we can find the student? With the help of the index, and with the help of that color, we can find out at which place, which types of regions are there, students. Okay, can you see that? Yes students. So this you have to find. Example, Africa, see students, yellow, that yellow color is there. So yellow, that means we can say that grassland in the torrid zone, savanna. See that Africa place. Okay. Yes. Yes students. So this way different types of regions are there in the world. It is a world natural region. Now see students, answer the following questions after studying the above map, figure 6.1. So some questions are there, just go through that, students. Which natural regions are found in India? So students, which natural regions are there? So monsoon regions, hot desert regions and mountainous regions are found where, students? In India. Okay. Next one is, which continent comprises a major portion of the hot desert type region? So see students, we can say that Africa. See the Africa. Okay. So Africa continent comprises a major portion of the hot desert type region, students. And next one is, see students, which continent has the highest diversity in terms of natural region, students? That is, we can say the continent of Asia. See the Asia continent, students. And next one is, why are there fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? So you all know that, students, in the southern hemisphere, the proportion of water, that is ocean, is greater than that of the land. Okay, that means land is very less, and because of that, students, there are fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than in the northern hemisphere. Because in southern hemisphere, students, the proportion of water that is ocean is greater than that of the land continents. So continents are less and oceans are more. So these are the reasons are there. Yes, students. Now next one is, which natural regions occupies the largest area in the world, students? So that is, we can say the taiga region. Okay, students. So taiga natural regions, we can say that. Afterwards, where else do we find conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica, students? So see, students, conditions similar to continent of Antarctica are also found in Arctic region. What region? Arctic region, students. Okay. And last one, see, students, through which natural region does the prime meridian pass? So see, students, you all know that prime meridian pass, that means West European region, hot desert regions, grassland, equatorial region, Mediterranean region, mountainous region, temperate grassland, that is steppes region, taiga region and tundra region, okay, and ice cap region. So all this we can see that with the help of this index. Okay, students, we can find out this. So this is your world natural region, students. Figure 6.1, natural region of the world. Okay, students. See, students, answer the following question. With the help of that, your page 32, 33. See, students, you have to find this answer. Okay. So just I am giving that two examples. I am giving it, and afterwards remaining you have to find out. First one is, which natural regions consist of short-lived vegetation? So see, students, you have to refer that page number 32. You can find out that tundra region consists of short-lived vegetation. Okay. And second one is, in which natural region will you find kraals, students? Yes. So kraals, where you find, students? So with the help of that, your page number 32, 33, you can find out that. So we will find a kraals in certain type grassland region. Okay, students. Which regions has winter rain, students? Yes, that is Mediterranean region has winter rains. So same way remaining also to find out that with the help of the table. Okay, students. Yes. So you have to do that. Now see that as one travel from the equator to poles, the spectrums of biodiversity narrow down. Okay, students. This leads to the issue of availability of natural resources, and this adversely affect human occupation. Okay, students. So say, students, when you travel one, that means as one travel from the equator to the polars. So what happened, that means the spectrums of the biodiversity narrow down. Okay, and because of that, this leads to the issue of availability of natural resources, students. This adversely affect the on human occupation. So see, students, in monsoon region, agriculture and allied activities form the main occupation of the people. Okay, so you already studied the table. Okay, students, in monsoon region, agriculture and allied activities form the main occupation of the people. Okay, and in equatorial region, occupations like gathering of gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. are all based on forest produce. And taiga is a softwood forest, students, and therefore that place lumbering is the main occupation. Okay, there. And in tundra region, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. Okay, students, and extensive farming is undertaken in grassland nowadays. So how we can learn all this? With the help of the tables, we can learn about the which place, which types of occupation people are doing that. Okay, students. So significant difference are found in the environment and available resources different natural regions. So this we can learn about how the differences are there. Different types of trees are found here, and different types of people are doing the occupations which are suitable that region. Okay, so that were totally different, students. The use of resources dependent on that region progress in science and technology also, students. And this way, that means whatever the use of resources dependent on that regions progress in science and technology, students. Similarly, the history and culture organization of that place also affect the life of people. And same way, students, similarly, the history and culture also same. Okay, that particular place, and similarly the history and culture organization of that place also affect the life of the people. Okay, students. So I would say that different place, different types of climates are there. Okay, yes, and because of different types of climates are there, different types of rainfalls are there, and because of that different types of vegetation are produced in that place, different types of animals are found, and that place different types of occupation also there, so that is also not same. Okay students, so examples are given: Masu region, equatorial region, taiga region, tundra region. So that way different types of occupations are there. Okay students, so example, taiga is a softwood forest. That place lumbering is the main occupation. In tundra place, main occupation is hunting and fishing. So it was different in different places, students. So it was not same. Think about it. Totally cancel, students. I have marked with pencil. No need to read this. Yes. Afterwards, next page, see students. Always remember also totally cancel. I have marked with pencil. Afterwards, do you know that you also totally cancel? I have marked with pencil, students. No need to read this. Okay, students. Exercise. Question number 1. Read the following statements carefully. Correct the wrong ones and write them down. Question number 2. Give geographical reasons. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Yes, students, all these are the assignment I am giving to you as your homework. You have to write this in your notebook or in your workbook and read this lesson twice 2 times properly. I hope that you understood this lesson. Thank you.